is all. Yeah, today's a little adventure. We're comparing a Pano taken from a mobile phone, which, hold on, better make sure I've got that on me. Yes, I have. And a Pano from a camera. Now, I didn't plan on actually doing a sunrise. I was going to wait till that had actually risen, but when I was sitting there drinking a cup of tea this morning, I was actually looking down out here and oh my God, I just thought, oh. So yeah, rushing a little bit. I think just look at that this morning. Oh my God, that is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh. Anyway, let's rush to get this quickly sunrise, and then we're going to get a Pano done. And oh, I better rush. 5 o'clock in the morning, there's a bloke on a jet ski.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her
This one's not going to be anything to do with the Pano business. This is just, oh, that's a nice boat. This is just more to do with getting a few extra ones in, you know, as you do. And it's, oh, would have to have took my lens cap off, wouldn't it? So how are we all this week? Everyone's doing fine. It's nice to see a nice bit of weather as opposed to rain. But yeah, right. Let's just quickly get this first one set up. Oh, I don't know how to do this. That's probably looking, let's get a bit wider. Get that on there. Shall we go over a bit? The colours are really nice there. Yes. Let's go over a few of the settings here of what we've done. Let's get that down a bit. So you're going to want to go about that way. And it's looking good. Right, so got quite a bit of light out there. So put the ISO about 200. I haven't gone for 400 like you normally would do the blue hour, but we're sort of like out of the blue hour just before sunrise, so I'll put it around about the 200. White balance, we're on cloudy, even though it's pretty sunny. If you want to know the reason for that one, I've done a video, so check the description. We are f9, 25th of a second. Oh, I forgot to mention, I've actually exposure bracketed this one. Reasons being for that is because we've got quite a bit of dynamic range here. It's really bright in that sky with them really nice colours, but I also want to get some of the colours from the side of the cliff here, because it's quite dark, because it's silhouette, because I'm facing actually into the sun, so I want to try and get a bit of, not much, a bit of colour on that side, so yeah. What a beautiful morning. And it's a shame I didn't have a long lens with me because there's 3 boats out there and you can pretty much see the Isle of Wight just about. It's just a bit of a haze. If I could have my long lens on me, that would have been fantastic. It's one of the things where you sort of think, where do you draw the line on what equipment to bring with you on your day, you know what I mean? And you always leave something behind. let's get on with this Pano, and to do this Pano on a phone, the same one on me other one. It's all bloody hills. Yeah, so we're going to do one on the mobile, one on the DSLR, and then we'll pair the two. When we talk about mobile phones, I've always badgered on about how poor quality that they actually are. Well, I shouldn't really say that, because it's not poor quality for your general use. They are really good quality, and you can get some really good images from them. I don't know if I want to go here or a bit further back. Let's go up there a little bit. But from more of a professional point of view, the quality it's nowhere near as good as like your mirrorless and your DSLRs. But I mean, considered over the years, I mean, they have they've come quite a long way, and improved massively. I think I'm going to go around here because I'm pretty sure that's going on. Yeah, I reckon so. So I make my mind up really, haven't I? I found what it is I'm going to do. So this is the beauty about doing sunrises and having to get up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, is that it's now, it's 5:35 and there's still nobody around. It's peaceful, it's quiet, and I can do my stuff without being interrupted. So here we go. Let's get the camera up on the phone. We have to select panorama, there it is, and so we're going to go from there, and we're going to sweep across to there. Right. So, let's get the camera out and do the same. Actually, no, before I do that, I'll show you what it looks like on the camera. So as you can see, let's see if we can focus in. You've got this little white boxy thing, and then obviously as you move around, the little white box moves, and there's your Pano. So let me just have a quick look what that looks like. That looks pretty good. That's not too bad at all. White balance, I'm now going to set to sunny, purely because it is. The sun's up, we're out of the blue hour. ISO, might have to change that. And let's have a goosey. Right. Now this is where the fun comes in with obviously having to do this yourself, is you're starting your end point. I'm not going to use a tripod. Probably is really best to actually use a tripod if you're doing it on a camera, to be honest with you, but you can do it handheld. But one of the things is to make sure none of the settings change. For example, don't put on auto white balance. Don't put on auto anything, because as you're moving across, if the light is changing, which it will do here because it's slightly darker over there and slightly lighter, is all of these are going to change. And then when it comes to stitching them together, you can see the lines. So once you've actually got your camera set, and you've got to sort of judge this really, haven't you? You know, from where you're going to start to where you're going to end. So yeah, you've got to sort of like, yeah, it can be tricky sometimes, but this is where the benefits, I suppose, come from a mobile phone, because you haven't got to worry about that. You can just start, end, and yeah. So let's get on with this. Right. Oh, dirty lens. There's always something you forget, isn't there? So now, even though I clean this regular, oh dear, that's better. Right, so now that's all taken. And it's still early hours of the morning when you lot are probably all still asleep. And what is it now? 5 to 6. Oh dear. Yeah. Right, so they're taken. I'll put them up on screen. And what we'll do is, what I'm going to do is, on the next video, we'll discuss the quality of each. So if you want to see how you stitch a pano together, I've got a video in the description for that one as well. So yeah, see which one you prefer from these two. I'm not going to tell you which one was the camera and which one was the mobile phone. Let's see if you can guess, and then on the next vid we'll have a look a bit closer at the quality of each, and then I can reveal which one was which. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, I'll see you soon.